Hey everybody, it's Kay again. Today, I'm going to walk you through the process of creating an assignment. It's a very simple process. Illuminated makes it super easy to do. So let's get started. I am going to start with clicking on the left side toolbar to Gradebook and then pop into my gradebook. Now, I must warn you, I'm doing this on Mr. Marikis's gradebook because I don't have a gradebook, but I'm sure he doesn't mind. Anyways, I could click on any class period I need, but today I'm going to go with first period. Once I'm in first period, you'll see the grade book and the grades of everybody with all their assignments. On the top left, I'll click on Create Assignment, and I will enter a short name. Homework 4. I can choose to put in a description or not. What's really most important is that anything with a red star next to the category should be filled out. Down in category, I'll make sure that it gets in the right category with whether or not it's assessment, classroom, or homework. I think homework 4 is going to fall under homework 4. I'll have the date. I can type in my due date here, which will be tomorrow. Then go down to possible points. I want my homework to be out of 10 points. Now, if we're looking to do extra credit, there is a section where we can click to say that this is extra credit. If it's just regular homework, of course, we're not going to click that. We'll go down, make sure it filters into report card 3, and then I'm going to hit save. As soon as I hit save, this assignment will not only be saved in first period, but it'll also be saved in all of my other class periods. And there you have it, super simple process on how to create your assignments. Thank you.